Just so happy to show my begonias, which became full. I didn't think it will be full because I only put 2 or 3 plants, and the third plant was really small. But this one, it was supposed to be full, but then the other one was eaten when we left for vacation. Oh well, and that's our tiger lilies. Hoping to see them bloom after I put Irish Spring soap shavings in the bottom. Okay. Our red oriental lily, it's very big. It's so nice. I just got it from the garden 2 days ago because the chipmunks are just eating them. Look at this one. It's bitten, and I just still decided to keep it. This one too, bitten, and the other bud has been bitten. There were more buds that were bitten, and I just cut them off. So this one, this the white one, it was near the ground, so I just also cut it so we can enjoy it, see it bloom here inside the house. This one, it's so nice. Last year all of these bloomed, and it was really very pretty in the garden. But this year, all of them have been eaten, and this is the last one. Oh, that's it. New orchid. Bought it from Aldi yesterday. It was on clearance for $6.94, so I couldn't resist but buy it. So I don't have this variety yet. That's white with pink stripes. And it's just an update.